Hey guys, I have a nice trick for you if you are using Drizzle ORM and you want to add default columns to all your tables. In my Drizzle project, I have this PG table creator. It depends on your database of choice. Second, you need to add the default columns that you want to add. In my case, I want to add the created at and the updated at. And then we have this interface. This interface is for that table creator function. I just copy it from here, guys. You can copy it or you can pass it. It depends on your use case, but I pick the easy choice, which is just copying it. So I will explain this interface in details now. We have these three parameters are the parameters that you want to pass: the table name, the columns, and the extra config in case you want to do some indexing and stuff. And this function outputs this four parameters or four things. So in these columns, we want to add default options here, the default columns here to the output. So how to do it? We will just pass it to the base function here as if we are using the function and passing it every time, but we don't want to pass it. So that's why we build a wrapper around it. So we added the default columns here. And for any users that will use this function or any developer that will use this function, create table, you don't have to define the created at because by default, the user now have created at in it and updated at in it because we updated the interface that we added that all the columns that will be all the column will be generated using the created table function will have the default columns in it. And the default columns there are created at and updated at. So this is the first step. The second step, you need to push this updates on db push. Yes, I want to execute all these commands and we want to see the database just in case to look how these things look like. Boom. Let's open the users table. Voila! I have created at and updated at on all my columns now. Created at, updated at. Created at, where is, yeah, created at and updated at. You do have this in all your tables. So this is how you can implement it, guys. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.